In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CapCut AI video generator on your PC to create videos fast. This powerful tool is perfect for anyone looking to produce professional quality videos quickly and effortlessly. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to CapCut.com. If you don't already have an account with CapCut, don't worry, creating one is free and simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get set up or log in with your existing credentials. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to access the AI video generator. You can do this by clicking on either AI video generator or script to video. It's also conveniently located under the tools section if you prefer to navigate there. This will direct you to the area where all the magic happens. Now comes the fun part, where you bring your ideas to life. You'll see a section to input either a prompt or a script. If you have a brief concept like create a 30-second video about fitness motivation, go ahead and type that in. Alternatively, if you've already drafted a script that you want to transform into a video, you can paste it directly into the provided text box. With your script or idea in place, it's time to customize your video style and settings. You'll first select the desired video format. CapCut offers several options, including horizontal, square, and vertical formats. This is perfect for tailoring your content to various social media platforms. If your video requires voiceover or music, make sure to choose those from the options available. And don't forget to set the language to suit your audience. Once your settings are in place, it's time to let CapCut's AI do its thing. Click Generate Video, and the AI will get to work assembling your content into a cohesive video using a mix of stock clips, voices, and captions. CapCut's system is notably fast. It shouldn't take more than a few seconds to produce your video. After your video has been generated, you'll have the chance to review it and make any necessary tweaks. Although this step is optional, it's beneficial if you want to personalize some of the elements. You can easily adjust the text or subtitles, swap out background videos or photos, and even modify transitions, colors, or music to better align with your vision. And that's it! You've successfully created a video using CapCut's AI video generator. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner, CapCut provides the tools to streamline your video creation process, making it quicker and more intuitive than ever. So thanks for watching and happy editing.